This morning, before the week begins, I'm taking a moment to breathe. Life feels a little full right now, but in a good way. My son will be home for a visit soon before he begins a new chapter that he's been working toward at the end of this month. And as I think about that, I can feel a shift, not just in him, but in me too. He's stepping into the next chapter of adulthood, and I'm slowly approaching the season of empty nesting. It's a strange place to stand between what was and what's about to begin. But this morning, what I feel most is pride. Not because my responsibilities as a parent will eventually come to an end, but because I get to see the investment of all those years begin to move into action. The lessons, the love, the guidance, the protection, all the things poured into him over time. Now I get to step back and watch where the journey takes him next. And there's something beautiful about that. This morning, I'm allowing myself to admire how far we've both come. Parenthood changes shape over time, but the love, the investment, the hope for their future, that part never changes. So today, I'm starting this week with gratitude. Grateful for the journey, grateful for the growth, and grateful to witness the next chapter beginning.